Fluid Statistics, Unit 6, Physics, Class 11. Question 1. A complete submerged object always displays its own answer volume of a fluid. Question 2. The pressure exerted on the ground by a man is greatest when answer he stands on the toes of 1 foot. Question 3. In a stationary homogeneous liquid, answer pressure is the same at all points at the same level. Question 4. One piston in a hydraulic life has an area that is twice the area of the other when the pressure at the smaller potential increased by delta P. The pressure at the larger piston answer increased by delta P. Question 5. In a vacuum, an object has answer no buoyant force. Question 6. A pressure at the bottom of a pond does not depend on answer the surface area of the pond. Question 7. A rock suspended by a weighing scale weighs 5 Newton out of water and 3 Newton when submerged in water. What is the buoyant force of? Question 8. An object completely submerged in a fluid displays its own volume of fluid. This is Archimedes' principle. Question 9. Solid water has a greater density than fresh water. About flood in about fresh water and solid water, the buoyant force on the boat in solid water is answer equal to. Question 10. You fill a tall glass with ice and then add water. The level of the glass rim when the ice melts. What happened to the water level? Answer. The water level stayed at the rim. Question 11. Why must liquid and not gas be used as fluid in a hydraulic machine? The answer. Liquids are nearly incompressible and ensuring pressure is transmitted effectively. Question 12. Why do not shape made of iron skin? The shape displays a volume of water greater than its weight, providing a buoyant. Question 13. Why do you float higher in a salted water than in fresh water? Answer. Salt water is denser, providing a greater buoyant force. Question 14. What is the difference between being immersed and being submerged in water? Answer. Immersed means participating in water, while submerged means follow. Question 15. Define surface tension and give its two applications. Answer. Surface tension is the choice force at the liquid surface that allows small objects to flow. Question 16. Swimmer dives off a raft in a pool. Does the raft rise or sink in water? Answer. The raft rises as the weight of the swimmer is removed. Water level. Question 17. Distinguish between flotation and skinning. Answer. Flotation occurs when the object's weight equals the buoyant force. Skinning occurs when weight exceeds its. Question 18. What is the density of water at 4 degrees centigrade? Answer. 1000 kg per meter. Question 19. The pressure at a point in a fluid is defined as answer force per unit area. Question 20. Pascal law states that pressure in a fluid is transmitted answer equally in all directions. Question 21. What is the height of the mercury column in a barometer at standard atmospheric pressure? Answer. 760 millimeter. Question 22. Hydraulic pressure depends on answer the depth of the fluid. Question 23. A manometer is used to measure answer pressure difference. Question 24. Which of the following is not a property of an ideal fluid? Answer. Turbulence. Question 25. In a floating body, equilibrium is stable if answer meta center is above the center of gravity. Question 26. Which device measures fluid velocity based on pressure difference? Answer ventometer. Question 27. A floating body displays a fluid equal to answer its weight. Question 28. Siphon was due to answer pressure difference. Question 29. Pressure in a fluid at rest is answer same in all directions. Question 30. The term hydrostatic force refers to answer 4 due to fluid pressure.